Hello everyone, welcome to Newsline. Gasping for life, Syria's merciless war on its own children. Editor's note: this story contains extremely graphic images of dead children. She stares off into the distance as she gasps for air, her tiny chest heaving desperately to take in more oxygen. Her eyes are wide and unflinching, her pupils constricted, the panic behind them clear. The little girl looks confused. She doesn't understand why she is dying, why she is lying in the back of a truck with other small children, some foaming at the mouth, others motionless, the life already gone from them. The ground all around her is strewn with bodies, some racked with convulsions, thrashing around in the mud as rescue workers attempt in vain to hose off the chemical agent that has blanketed them. A little girl gasps for air in the moments after the attack. Minutes earlier it had been a typically cool morning in northern Syria. The people of Khan Sheikhoun would have been eating their breakfast, getting ready for school, playing outside or still sleeping. Thanks for watching video, subscribe our channel for latest news.